What you're seeing today is not exactly a recipe video. I'm more than proud to tell you that I'm making 3 different versions of Genovese. Because with the recipe that will win, in quotes, the one that turns out to be the best for me, my friends, and my family, it will become hear ye, one of my ready-made sauces, which I will present to you as soon as possible. As for the choice of onion, no doubt, Ramata onion. There's no discussion about this. I'll show you the meat later. And as for the wine, Coda di Volpe, Falangina. And then Marsala. Finally, I'll tell you that in some of the 3 recipes, I'll leave something out. I'm telling you in advance. In one, I won't add the carrot, and in another, I'll add something else. And so, flames lit under the pots. Add the extra virgin olive oil. Let me drain it, because here the measurements have to be precise to the gram. Then I add the beef shank, the piccione, not the animal, but the part of the beef shank called that. Then I add the brisket. The eye of round. That would be the eye of round. The shoulder roast. And I let it brown. Very well. Now I add the celery. Here you also need the carrot. Now I must not get confused. Here instead you only need the celery. Here again celery and carrot. I brown the vegetables together with the meat. Now I deglaze with white wine. Falangina. Marsala. Let's change the ladle. Coda di volpe. Let it evaporate, keeping the heat high. Very good, now on low heat. I add a little bay leaf. I add the onions, 2 or 3. Here we go. Now, in recipe 3, I add the tomato paste. With the double concentrated tomato paste, I cover them with the various lids. And over very low heat, I let it cook for at least 4 hours, adding a bit of hot water only if necessary. Ladies and gentlemen, I turn off the hood, I turn off the burners. And now, salt. Obviously, I'll adjust it better later. I'm starting with a base, in this case I can tell you, of 5 grams pepper. I weighed this too. It's 0.1 grams. Three different spoons for mixing. Recipe 3, recipe 2, I won't hide it from you. I still haven't really tasted this one, which appeals to me a lot more. This is the one with Marsala. Recipe 1. Now before putting them in the small cups, you see, 1, 2, 3, which I'll give to family and friends. Taste everything. The spoon for number 1, let's see. Delicious. This one, in my opinion, is the best, because if it tastes as good as it looks, well, let's see. Here, the choice gets very, very difficult. Who knows? I think I need to make 2 versions. And now number 3, the version that's more, if you can say so, tomato-y, the one with tomato paste. Won't lie. This one is really good, but in my opinion, I need to reduce the amount of tomato paste. You can taste it a bit too much. I'll definitely let you know which of the three I choose, or rather, which we choose. You see the cupcake liners. Listen to this. They're right here. There are quite a few of them. We'll all see together. Of course, I won't tell them which one I like the most, but we'll all find out in a few weeks. Sending you a big hug. And as usual, oh my bye.